Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Cyprus. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other visas that you may or may not have, you may not actually need a visa. And uh, and whenever it comes to check the process, always check as per the official entity uh, uh, that covers the region where you live, because based on your residential area there could be additional steps, there could be additional documents, fee, etc. For example, if you're an Indian citizen living in New Delhi, India, for example, so I have opened High Commission of the Republic of Cyprus in New Delhi. Okay, so they have here defined that they have single entry visa and also multiple entry visa. So most of the tourists will go for uh, single entry visa. Okay. Visa application may kindly be submitted at VFS Global. They have given address. Okay. And they have given timing too. So this is for directly submitting. If you are residing more than 200 miles, 300 kilometers away from the consulate, you can submit by a registered courier, including a registered prepaid self-addressed self-delivery envelope, so that they can return your passport and anything else that they want to. Okay. Now, what are the documents you need to submit? Application form will open, duly completed and signed. Okay. Then two passport size photograph, white background. They'll have standards given. Original passport along with a copy of main pages, valid for at least 3 months after the date of expiration of the visa applied for. Okay. The visa for the return country must be okay. I mean, if you're having an onward journey, then after leaving Cyprus, if you're going to the second country, its visa should be valid at least 3 months after your exit date from or intended stay from Cyprus. Okay, but if you're coming back to your home country, for example, if you're Indian and coming back to India, then don't worry about that. Provincial booking, okay, round trip ticket, okay, but provisional booking, okay, all the okay, hotel reservation, okay, business trip, they have business letter requirements, family visit, letter of invitation, okay. This may be with a certified assumption of responsibility form, if a family member or friend is hosting you. Solid evidence of last 3 months, there are sufficient fund to cover the cost. Okay. Bank statement traveler check. Original bank statement should be signed and sealed. Tax deduction for last 3 years. Okay. Medical insurance, at least 30,000 euro. I have seen this very common. If you have a host there, then copy of bank guarantee letter from the host valid for period of 10 year. Okay, fine. If visiting friend and family, additional requirement, host passport ID, assumption of responsibility, detailed letter of invitation. Of course, these are very common that we see. Bank guarantee, bank certificate, academic certificate. Wow. Travel information we have. You already went through it. Useful information, we already go through it. Okay. You should be submitting it at least 15 days prior intended of travel, but I would say go for 30 days or so, because sometimes there could be unforeseen circumstances. Fee for short stay, 90 days, 90 euros. For children, it's less. For some nationality, some discount has been given, and they also issue gratis visa also if you qualify. Okay. Okay. So now visa form we will go for. Okay. I'll open it. before we open visa form, I just want to give you the VFS overview also. So I've opened VFS site where like if you're applying in person or through a representative, you can do. So I didn't, we'll go through the process. Same steps that we have, like if you're going for short-term tourism, we know visa fee we already went through, but yes, there will be additional VFS fee also and some value added services too. Okay. And you can pay in cash once you go there. Okay. Documents required. So that we have already gone through. Letter of employment, letter, other things, just to make sure that you are a legitimate travel. Photo specification, processing time, forms. The assumption of responsibility is not applicable in all the cases, but application for visa we can definitely apply. Wow. This section for official, so don't worry about it. Surname and birth, if given name, date of birth, place of birth, these things are okay. I don't have to explain. Gender, civil status, in case of minor parental authority, yeah. National ID number when applicable, type of term. For most of us, it's going to be ordinary passport. So then you have to provide passport details here and it should match. Don't do any mistake. Percentage of a family member who is, and so if applicable. So 17 and 18, 19 applicants, home address and email address, phone number, residence in country other than the country of current nationality. So it's not applicable in all the cases. If you're an Indian citizen and applying India, you will go for no. Current occupation, employer, unemployed address and phone number. For each student, it's going to be educational institutions. Purpose of journey, if you're going for tourism, it's going to be tourism. Additional information that you want to do. Number of entry requested. Fingerprint previously for the purpose of applying for a Schengen visa. So that you need to do. If you have entry permit of final destination where applicable. Surname of inviting person. If not applicable, write hotel. Okay, hotel details. Name and address. So of course you'll have that. And how the cost you're gonna pay. Okay, that you have. Then place date and signature. This we have gone through already. Okay, and visa form also we have seen, so I don't need to download and show it to you again because same thing is gonna be there as well. So that is how it works, guys. And if applicable, you may need to get this if you're being hosted by a family member. Your family member has to do this. Okay. So again, thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.